running and in this context, there's no disrespect. So when I bust my rhyme, you already next. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm reflect. Like shit, follow your intuition. Be it so it break away from tradition. Cause when we beat out, girl, it's fully beat out. When we break out, we now till it's burned out, till it's burned out. Act up from the northwest east side. Everybody, let's get into it. Get started, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started.
I'm in the house with my buddy. Okay, now maybe I'm sticking because I want you to trick it. Yeah, I be on it. You should see what I'm studying. The flesh is supposed to be bugging. There's nothing to be bugging. You can tell that I'm humming. I'm just doing my thing. You know what I'm doing together. I got my grind and shit with me. You front, you had to give me the flow. No, I'm super bad. Trying to get the deal straight.
Suur aitäh teile, te panite ka ikka megalt. Aga nüüd jätkame hip-hop noored 1 suurgruppidega.